Hello everyone, today's unboxing is the FlashPoint XPLOR100 Pro TTL. I already have one of these and I love them. They're fantastic for specific situations. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, it's telling you what's in the box: flash, battery holder, battery charger, charger block, USB cable, and the back. So we've got the case, and in the case we've got flash unit, charger, the plug, the battery, and the bracket. And up in the top here in the zipper pocket we've got the charging cable, USB A to C, and the documentation, which we all know winds up in the trash. So let's take a look real quick at the actual flash here. Round head, very compact, 100 watts. We'll slide the battery in, power on, and turn down the dial. Okay, and I just happen to have I don't even remember what this is. It's still my favorite. Yeah, this is the FlashPoint R2 Pro 2 for Nikon. Still my favorite trigger for my FlashPoint Godox. I've got several different ones, or I've tried several different ones. This is still my favorite because you can turn on the zones just by double pressing the button. But anyway, so this is on channel 21, group A. We're going to hold down the button and we can change the channel. We do it fast enough. Okay. And I'm not sure how well, yep. Got on 1/8 power. Not sure how well that'll come out on a phone camera, but works great. Turning it off and pop the battery out like that. Battery goes right in there to charge. USB-C port, plug that in to the wall, and you're all set to go. Let me show you real quick. This is the grip. It can go either here or here depending on how you want to balance it. This has in it, it's got two, just so you can see, I hope you can see. It's got these two bumps right here that slide or align it into those, so it doesn't spin once you tighten it down. Once it's tight, it won't spin. And it's got a hole for an umbrella. Tighten it down. And then you can put it on the stand. Now, I don't think I've ever actually used this because what I use is one of two things. I use an S2 bracket. This one's a glow. Pop out the lower end of that and flash fits in perfectly. So this is how I usually mount it because I'm always using a Bowens mount either softbox or Magmod or something that I just put right on there. I don't like the Magmod wrap that goes around it. It's just too hard for me to get on there, so I just use a Magmod Bowens mount to attach what I need. Or, and this is something I'm getting into now, is the Glow, was it Parapop? I can't remember. But these are nice because they have a magnetic magnets on the inside, or I'm not sure if this is the magnet, but anyway, it pops right there and holds it really, really well. And push this down to really lock it in. But I love that. The other thing I love about these is that they use the round hit kit that you can use on a V1 or any other the FlashPoint Godox round heads. Is the round heads it's also designed to fit perfectly on these as well. So that's the other reason I love these 100s. I use them for lighting a background if I'm doing a headshot or a hair light, or if I'm on location and I'm not having to blow out the sun or anything, I can pop that in, put the softbox out here, and I've got a nice, easy handheld flash. So that is XPLOR100 Pro TTL. Hope you enjoyed it.